Okay, hi everybody. This is a 4D Ultra machine. You can see in this part we have the power supplier here and the connectors up to cartridge. This is the pen cartridge, and this one is the second cartridge here. Okay. These are other pieces that you can use for the treatment, depends on the treatment that you want to do. And this is the power button here. Okay, once we got on 100, we have to press the screen to go to this interface. Okay, basically we have two options. We can use the handpiece, the small handpiece here, or we can use the bigger one. The small handpiece is common to use it for face. And this one you can also use for face, but also in other part of the body. So let's try to do the first one. Okay, you can see the interface here. The machine will detect which kind of coverage we're using here. So in this case we're using 1.5 millimeters, and you can see the machine automatically detected. You can see with this coverage we can get to these areas, forehead, even around the lips, which is really small size. But if we change it, you can see the machine detects coverage here, and also it will suggest you which kind of bases you can do with this coverage. Okay, in here we have the power, so you can go in that, and this is the frequency. Okay, you can see here is a counting, so until now we have 0, but once you start using the coverage, you will notice the numbers will be growing. And this is the total. This is the total shots the coverage can shot. And then in here we have a button to control the volume here. Then you can see once you press start, and for start you need to press this button here and start the treatment. If you want to set anything else, you need to pause it. Okay, now I will introduce how to use the pen cartridge. And once you have everything already set, the machine will show you which areas you can apply the treatment. And then once you have the energy and the frequency already set, you can press here start. Then before you start the treatment, you need to clean the area and apply a little bit of gel. And then you need to spare the air a little bit. Once you are ready for it, then you start pressing the button. Okay. Once we finish, we clean everything, and then for finish the treatment, you can just pause. Okay. Then let's go to the other cartridge. Okay, you can see the interface. Right now, we have we have 3.0 here, and this is the area that we're having the shots. This is wide, and you can see the cartridge has two buttons in here. One is this button and the other one is this button. You can only use both of the, one of them. You can use one of them, it's okay. It's up to you. Then we can see once we put the cartridge here, it will recognize the cartridge here, and then it will suggest you which kind of areas of your face you can treat with this piece. Then you can see this is the area of the cartridge. So actually, you can modify the. You can set wide here, also the length here, and also the clearance. Clearance is the space between dots in the same line, and this is the pitch means the area between dots, between lines actually. You can see here we have the power of the cartridge, so we can go up or down. This is cartridge here. This is accounting, and this is the total lines the machine can be used. And after you get into this onto the total, you need to change it. Change the cartridge, okay. And then we have here some settings here. So actually, you can set any of them. And we have fast and slow mode. And we have a start button, stop button, and going back to the main screen. Okay. So for using this cartridge, you need to put some gel on the surface. But let's change it to see. The difference in the machine. You can see the difference in here. So it's suggesting you which areas you can use. And if you change for bigger than 4.5, you will see the machine will detect that you can use this one for all your body, not for your face. So basically, if you use 1.5, 3, or 4.5, you can use them for your face. And if you're bigger than that, you should use them for your body, not for your face. Okay, let's have a test. So after you put the surface, you need to spare a little bit the gel. You need to identify which area you're going to treat, and you need to set all the settings here. And once you have everything set and you spare the gel, okay, okay. Once you have everything already set, you can put the start. But it's ready to work, but it will work until you press the buttons here. So we can see. You can see how it's working. The numbers are counting. and